This is TPMS tool from Thinkcar, TPMS VENU 90. It looks kind of same like MuCar TP90 that I have tested before. Even the interface, so basically this is newer version of that. And this is meant to be used mostly for your TPMS system. So when you are rotating your wheels, if you need to activate new sensors, you can even buy new sensors from Thinkcar. You can replace them for your older sensors if they stop working. Then you can activate them with this tool. But even for OEM sensors, you can find out ID numbers of the sensors. You can write new sensor IDs into your TPMS module with OBD cable, and then it got some extra features. Check this out. For example, this key frequency. It will tell you car frequency, so whether it is US or European key. Not that much extra use for this, but it is the feature that this scanner can do. But then it is also functioning like basic OBD2 scanner. So first let me show you this TPMS, because this is primarily what this tool is for. But then you can even scan for faults, check live data, so we can check that as well. Now before you do any of TPMS work, you want to update this tool. This was actually hard part about this. I will have to make separate video. So if you need to update, because it says it's got Wi-Fi update, but when I tried to update via Wi-Fi, I always got error message, or then I couldn't even connect to Wi-Fi network. But you have SD card here, and you can actually take your SD card, update it in your computer, put it back, and then you will have fresh new software to use with this. So in case you need to see how you can update this tool, go to link in description to my website page about this scanner, and there I will include full video how to update it, but I don't want to put it here in the review. Okay, so I tested how this scanner would perform on my friend's Toyota simple tire rotation. So he has two sets of wheels, so every time he changes his wheels, you need to find new ID numbers, or you could just write them down, but he never does it. So always I have to find out these numbers and then learn it into this TPMS module he has in his Corolla. And using this tool was actually super simple. Just scan the codes from every wheel. Now I have codes saved on my screen, so basically all I have to do is connect to OBD2 port, and then using this TPMS relearn, scanner remember the IDs I just took, and it will just write them into the TPMS module. So with TPMS tool like this, very simple procedure, and already the TPMS system is fixed and light is no longer on the dashboard. So even only for TPMS, in my eyes, this tool is already worth it. You have free updates, so you just buy it once. Seems very good quality. This will last for years for sure. But then it also acts like engine code reader, so we can give it a shot. Let me hook it up to my OBD port. Turn on ignition. I have literally tested hundreds of different OBD2 scanners, and I run the best OBD2 scanner website. There you can find best OBD2 scanners for literally every category. You can see real procedures done with the scanner, you can see scanner reviews. Anything related to OBD2 scanners you can find at my website iamcarhacker.com, and even download free PDF guides like this. And let's go to this OBD detection. So now it will search for protocol this car is using. This should be the last one. Okay, and already we're inside this car. I don't have check engine light, so not much codes we could read. This vehicle doesn't have any fault codes. If I had check engine light, I can also erase codes. You can check readiness status. This is status of your emission system components. All components are incomplete in this car, so doesn't seem in very good condition, even though I don't have any fault codes. Then, like every code reader, almost any code reader, we can check data stream, view all items. So these are these basic global OBD parameters we can check. And then if I go back, I already saw that you can also do live data graphs. Now it will show all the data we can look as graph. For example, we can do this absolute throttle position and let's say intake temperature. So you can check apparently two live data graphs at once. Now I have graph. The yellow value is absolute throttle, so I will try stepping on the gas pedal a few times. See, and we can see change in OBD scanner. Wait, let me go back. I will do only absolute throttle. It will be easier to see. So if you want to only select one parameter, you have to press this back, and then it should go to graph directly with one parameter. Okay, now I will step on gas pedal, and we can see value rising So functioning perfectly fine as code reader as well. Last thing we can check is the setup. See, here is that Wi-Fi upgrade, but it doesn't function that well. And then for languages, these are supported languages, so French, Spanish, Deutsch, Italian, Russian, Chinese, bunch of languages you can choose from. There is even software update guide, I haven't seen this before. Okay, so even if you cannot update via Wi-Fi, same thing I did. Here you even have full guide for that, I didn't even know about that. So if you are doing any type of DIY car work, or you are running some small shop, tire shop, definitely worth having tool like this, especially for the TPMS system. And I will put link to buy it in description.